In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Thinkorswim for scalping. The goal with a good scalping setup is speed, clarity, and having the most useful information visible without overloading your screen. We'll begin on Thinkorswim Web and focus on the tools that help short-term traders make quick decisions. First, set your chart to fast time frames. A very common setup is to use a 1-minute chart as your main chart, a 5-minute chart as your secondary chart, and optionally a 15-minute chart to help confirm the bigger trend direction. To change the time frame, open a chart, click the time frame box at the top, and select 1 minute for your primary view. These shorter time frames help you track price action more closely, which is especially important when you're looking for quick entries and exits. Next, add the key indicators. The most important one is VWAP. VWAP helps you understand where institutional buying and selling may be taking place. To add it, go to Studies, then Edit Studies, search for VWAP, and add it to your chart. Many scalpers use VWAP as a directional guide, looking for long opportunities when price is above VWAP and short opportunities when price is below it. After that, add volume. Go to Studies and select Volume. Volume is important because breakouts are generally more meaningful when they happen with a noticeable spike in activity. If price is moving but volume is weak, that move may be less reliable. You'll also want to add the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA to help identify short-term momentum. Go to Studies, then Edit Studies, add Move AVG Exponential, set 1 to 9, then add another and set it to 20. In general, if the 9 EMA is above the 20 EMA, that suggests bullish momentum. If the 9 EMA is below the 20 EMA, that suggests bearish momentum. Now enable level 2. Go to the trade tab and open level 2. This shows the bids and asks and can give you a better feel for near-term supply and demand.